Hello student, today I am explaining the new set of question, that is question number 18, in which we have to calculate commission of a salesman. Commission of a salesman depending upon his monthly sales. If his monthly sales is between 0 to 5,000, he will get a 0% commission. If his monthly sales is between 5,001 to 12,000, he will get 3% of the sales. If his sale is between 12,000 to 22,000, he will get 7% commission. If his sale is 22,000 to 30,000, he will get 10% of commission. And if his sale is above 30,000, he will get 15% of commission. But there is a one condition. Condition is that we have to solve this question without using any logical operator. That means we cannot use logical and, logical or. So we cannot use logical operator. So that means we have to follow the nested if structure. We have to follow the nested if structure. See what is happening here. First of all, import statement is taken. Now in the display function, we have enter sales. We have entered sales in S. We have entered sales in S, and one variable we have declared, that is double com. Okay, and this structure we will follow. So how this structure will work? Let's check with the example. Suppose monthly sales of a salesman is this month is 50,000. Suppose his monthly sales is 50,000. Then how much commission he will get? So according to the table, he will earn 15% of the monthly sales because his sales is above 30,000. Therefore, he will get a monthly commission of 15%. Okay. So let's check this program will give him 15% or not. So let's start from here. S, that is 50,000, greater than 5,000. This condition is true. Control get inside. Again one more condition, S greater than 12,000. Yes, this is also true. Again control get inside. S greater than 22,000. Yes, 50,000 is greater than 22,000. Correct. Again control get inside. If S greater than 30,000, yes, this is also true because S is 50,000 and 50,000 is greater than 30,000. Therefore, this condition is true. Control get inside, and here it will get com equal to 0.15 into S. 0.15 means 15%. 15% can be written as 15 by 100 of sale. 15 by 100 can be written as 0.15. Okay. Therefore, if his sale is 50,000, he will get a commission of 15%. If this condition becomes true, all the else part will be cancelled, ignored, and directly control comes here and print system.print and commission equal to com, that is 15% of his monthly sales. 15% of his monthly sales. Okay. Now check with some another example. Suppose his monthly sales is 25,000. His monthly sales is 25,000. Therefore, according to the question table, he will get his monthly sales is in the range of 22,000 to 30,000 because his sales is 25,000. 22,000 to 30,000. Therefore, he will get a monthly commission of 10% only. So let's check this program will give him a 10% or not. See, first of all, S greater than 5,000. Yes, 25,000 is greater than 5,000. Condition is true. Control get inside the loop. S greater than 12,000. See, 25,000 is greater than 12,000. Condition is also true. Control get inside. S greater than 22,000. 25,000 is greater than 22,000. This is also true. Again control get inside. S greater than 30,000. Here it is 25,000 and it is 30,000. This condition evaluates to false. If the condition evaluates to false, then control goes to else part. So this is the else part of this F. Okay. this is the else of this if. So this if is false, therefore control transfers to else part, and here com equal to 0.10 into 10. 10 means 10%. 10% means what? 10 by 100 into cell. 10 by 100 can be written as 0.1 to 0.1 of monthly cell. Okay. 0.1 of monthly cell. Oh, and other else will be ignored. Directly control comes here and print commission equal to com, that is 10% of his sale. Let's take one more example. Suppose his monthly sale is 15,000. His monthly sales is 15,000. Let's check 15,000. So if his monthly sale is 15,000, his commission range is in between 12,000 to 22,000. That is, he will get 7% of his total sale. Okay. So let's check. This program will calculate 7% or not. So start from here. S greater than 5,000. Yes, this condition is true because 15,000 is greater than 5,000. Again, control get inside. S greater than 12,000. This condition is also true because 15,000 greater than 12,000. S greater than 22,000. 15,000 greater than 22,000. This part is false. This part evaluates to false. If this part evaluates to false, then control transfer to its else part, and this is the else part of this if. Okay, see here, this is the else of this if, and here 0.07 into S. 0.07 means 7 by 100, that is 7% of sale. 7 by 100 can be written as 0.07. Okay, so he will get the 7% of his sale, and other else will be ignored, and that directly comes here and print commission equal to com. Okay, let's take one more example. One more example. Suppose sales is 4,000. His monthly sales is only 4,000. Very poor business. His sales is only 4,000. So this time, what happens? First of all, this condition will be evaluated. That is S greater than 5,000. S greater than 5,000, and first condition evaluates to false because the value of S is only 4,000, and 4,000 is not greater than 5,000. Therefore, this condition evaluates to false. Then what happens? See here, its else is here. See, its else is here, and here commission equal to 0.0 of sale. That is 0 will be calculated. See in the question, if sales is 0 to 5,000, commission rate will be 0%. That means if his sales is below 5,000, his sales becomes 0% of sale. That is 0 will be calculated, and it will print commission equal to 0. So without using logical and logical OR operator, we can solve the question in such way using nested if technology, using nested if technique, and clearly our output will be comes out. Okay, the student try to solve the question number 19 and 20 using same way. Question number 19 and question number 20 you try to solve in the same way. Okay, and one more thing that and in the last question set I have not got any answer from your side and not any question. That means you are not going through the video. That is not good. Okay, you all students please go through the videos and try to solve. We are completing our syllabus day by day. Very soon I am going to start switch statement. After finishing switch statement I will start loop. So don't stop, don't take rest at home. Okay, continue with the study and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.